Hello friend, if you finding Kimi K3 for using it completely free, I guaranteed this video will help you. So as you can see, I am using Kimi K3 free model in my VS Code. So in this entire video, I am going to show you how you can also set up this Kimi K3 model in your VS Code. And as you can see, it's completely working. So here in my model section, you can see I am using multiple model like Kimi K3 or Claude Fable 5. And if I select other models, here you can see all Claude models. But in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Kimi K3 free model in VS Code. But if you want to use Fable 5 and Claude all models inside Claude Code, you can check out my this video. And I guaranteed you it's 100% free and unlimited. Also, I have one request to you. As you can see, we need only 8 subscribers to reach at least 20 subscribers. So please subscribe the channel and join our family. And don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful. And from here, you can join my Telegram channel to access the API setup, and trust me, it will be helpful. So now just simply come to this token router website and sign up with your Google or Gmail account so that we can get an API key and you can create your multiple API key from multiple accounts. So as you can see, this website newly added Kimi K3 model, and that's why it provides Kimi K3 free model API key for few days. But again, I am telling you, you can access multiple API keys to multiple accounts, and that's depend on you because I want to honest with you. So now click on this API keys option, and here you can see create new API option. Just click on it and choose a name. You can choose it as you want, like I choosing Krishna. Just simply type it here in name section and don't change any of these options. And after fill up the name, just click on submit option. And as you can see, we successfully created our API key. Now we have to set up this API key in our VS Code. And from using this API key, you can create your mini projects and you can code efficiently in VS Code. Now for set up this API, just copy this URL. And now we have to replace the URL here. So simply I just open my notepad and paste it here. You can take a screenshot or you can access this code from my Telegram channel because we need this ID and URL for set up the API in VS Code. Now open your VS Code, and if you don't have VS Code, simply download it from anywhere. Now let me clear this tab so that I can show you from starting. Here click on this chat option. Now as you can see, I already have Kimi K3 free model by using another account. Now for add this new account API, just click on model, then select this setting option, and then you can see here a add model option. Now simply click on this add model option, then it will show a this type pop-up option. Click on this custom endpoint option, and now without changing anything, just hit enter. And here we have to paste our API key. So simply for API key, I will go to the website and copy the API from here. Now come back to the VS Code. Now here paste the API key as I am doing. And after paste the API key, hit enter. Without change anything, again hit enter. And now it will auto redirect you to this tab. And we have to set up this API key here. So simply I just open my notepad and copy the ID. Then paste it here in ID option. Now again copy the name and paste it here. Now for get the URL, just come back to the website and copy the URL from here. Then come back again in VS Code and paste it in URL option. You can enter all of this from this video manually, or you can join our Telegram for get the code. Now set this vision option false, and next you have to comment in my video. No, just joking. Now after full setup, click on this option, and here you can see the chat option. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. I already selected here this Kimi K3 model, so you have to select it manually. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And you can check out the video in my channel on all Claude model including Fable 5, unlimited free API inside Claude Code. And it is not like this type. It's completely free rather than few days. So go and check out.
Fast lane, brains game, breaking the chain. Christian on the feet with the fire in the vein. Tips on the time and the rhyming is climbing. Data is diamond, we constantly mining. Goose on the skin when the lesson begin. Win after win, let the digital spin. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul.